Hello everyone, Sam is here from not my, uh, my new name of my website is creativetradingsystem.com, creativetradingssystems.com. Okay, so this is the new name and the website is the same as old one, right? Just I changed the name. So new name I just showed you is up here as well, and all my most of my charts, the new charts is going to be mentioning there in the bottom. So let's get started. I want to make this video as a weekly recap showing all the trades and everything and the reasons for that, right? And maybe give you guys a couple of new charts. All right, so let's get started here. The week started on 6th of March, which was Sunday. So a couple of entries which were before, maybe Friday, and then ended up closing on Sundays. Aussie Yen 20-minute chart. It is a long setup. You can see on my left-hand side, yellow mark with entry. This is my entry. SL is moved to break-even plus. And this is the setup. Yellow is above the black. This is all the way down for long, by the way. And red candle turns blue, and I open the trade. And after moving a little bit in my favor, I move my SL to break even. All right, so this is 75. And it's a lot of time people say that, oh, you don't show us losing trades. Now, let me explain you how it works. See, this one here was a perfect entry. I made an entry here. It went up, and I came and sit on a break even. Then you know what happened here, right? So my SL was taken out with nothing, no loss, no gain, nothing, break even. Why would I make a chart for that? So my SL hit, but this is how it hit. Most of the time, sometimes it hit like 10, 15, 10 pip, 15 pip loss, but most of the time it's this. But when I'm good, it goes all the way, and and you're gonna see bigger trades. Just trust me, you'll watch. 75 pip here. This is, look at that, right? After that, I mean, this was also, but I missed this, but this was an entry, and this, so when my SL hit, never, right? So right after that, boom, all the way down, and 220 pips on the 6th. But by the way, the entry was last Friday, and I closed it on Sunday, right? Sunday started here, the day started the new week, and it went down, was coming up, so I closed it. On the 7th, again, same thing here. Same thing happened here. Entry was here. Entry was taken, but I got out at break even. And then again, the second entry. If this entry I would lose, then I will take this one. I think you got the idea, right? But this one, since it went up, and I came and sit on a break even, but my SL never hit and it went up. It's 120 pips. That's how it is. It's a very safe, sound system. Pound USD. Entry here and never got hit. SL never went back, and then all the way down 70 pip. On the 7th here, you can see this was here, but the thing is here on this one, I never moved my SL to break even for some reason. Sometimes I'm sleeping, sometimes I'm out. So it came very close, then it went up. If it had taken my SL out here, I would have gone long here anyway, right? So this is 65 pip. And here, 90 pip on the 7th. This is USD CAD. And I made a CAD, well, forget about that videos. Okay, now on the 8th here, a Euro Aussie 20-minute long buy entry. Beautiful, by the book entry, this one, and all the way, 230 pip. We all know that why the market is moving like that, right? So it's war going on, and then, it's a lot of mess. And this market just moves, big gain some volatility when any, chaotic situation in the world. So that's what happened. Pound Aussie 165 pip. See that entry? Beautiful entry, went up, came very close again and again. And if I had lost this one, I would have taken this one. Or if I had lost this one, I would have taken this one. So this is how it is. You are safe with this system, very safe. This one, same story, Euro Aussie again on the 8th for 85 pip more. This was I had traded before, and now this one. And then even after that, you had a beautiful entry here. Now pound CAD from here, 80 pip. on the 8th. A lot of trades on it. On the 9th, the next day, Euro CAD, this is what happened. Euro was getting very strong. So it started to go up and 85. Here, this is Bitcoin buy, and it has its own story, but I'm going to make another video probably on that. Beautiful setup, and then I took it and it went up all the way. On the 9th, again, pound yen. This is how it is, 75. On the 9th, euro NUSI, entry was on the 8th and continue in the 9th, 475. Right? Okay, on the 9th, euro USD, long trade here, buy order here, and for 170 pip. This pair, hardly move, but when it moves, So Euro Aussie 20-minute on the 9th again, and 70 pip from here to there, buy entry here. On the 9th, Euro Yen, 110 pip, beautiful entry. I missed this one, but then I got this one. And there was another entry here. Euro NUSI again went up, and this is how we got. On the 9th, 50 pip, small, but remember, I had this one for almost 200 some pip, right? Then another small shot from here to here, 50 pip. Pound Aussie on the 10th, 135 pip. By the book entry, first entry, beautiful. Sell order here, and it went all the way down, 135 pip. And this one, Pound NUSI, same thing, right? Sell order here, 140 pip from here to here. Same story. It's either long or short. I have to have the setup to go open a trade, right? This is a buy order here, and this was not a 100% proper entry, but I did it anyway because I knew that the Aussie is getting strong. At least I need this price to at least touching the yellow line. But sometimes, if you are pretty 100% sure, this indicator was all the way down, so it's okay. And yellow was above the black. So all the three conditions were there, but it's just that the price didn't touch yellow. So, but still I took it and it was good. This is a buy the book entry, beautiful pound CAD on the 11th. This was because of the CAD index, the video I made yesterday about I'll show you the chart. And then it went down, and then this is USD CAD, 405. Right, pound CAD was 95 pip. USD CAD, 105 pip, 200 pip in between these two CAD pairs. Now these CAD pairs, for example, I went short, and because CAD was getting strong, and I made that chart. For example, this one, right? I made the video about this whole thing, but just showing you again. So this was a chart. This was a reason. This is a good pattern. I said, we're going to go up here. And then obviously when the CAD goes up, Euro CAD, Pound CAD, USD CAD, Aussie CAD, they all go down. So that's why I had those two. And what happened to this chart? This chart ended up looking like this. Right? So exactly it went up all the way. And I got those 200 pip between Pound CAD and USD CAD. Similarly, you saw a lot of NUSI trades, right? That was based on let's see. Okay, I think I moved that. Oh, forget about it. I just so this one, you see this here, NUSI index. This was kind of again Gutler pattern bouncing from here, and I said that GN and EN gonna go down if this thing start to go up, and that happened most of the time, and then it start to come down. Let me see. This one, this chart turns into this chart. Right. So far, this is how it is. They went up all the way, very close to 38.28, and then start dropping. Now, because of that drop, you see my trades going, like long side. So as long as this thing continue dropping, if it start dropping, then NUSI gonna get weaker, and then Pound NUSI and Euro NUSI will go up, not down. Down was when this thing was going up. Now, if it is going coming down, as it shows here that we have a nice shooting star. Now, I'm making another chart for this one, right? A new chart. I'm just going to show you everybody on this chart. But I have similar charts for almost every single thing, like the pairs and, indexes and all that, but it's only for my subscribers. But this one I'm gonna share with you guys, and look, this is what I'm making a new one now. This pattern played out, but a new pattern is underway. So how it looks like is this. So if we're gonna stop here, if because of this candle, the closed candle is a shooting star, a reversal candle, and if the fundies are in our favor, then this thing's gonna drop more, and usually it goes back to 23% line, 38 or 23 into this area. Doing that, NZD dollar is gonna get weaker, and then right hand side, pound NZD and euro NZD, because NZD is weak, they will go up. And NZD USD and NZD yen, if NZD is gonna get, the index is gonna drop, then these two will go down. That's how I make the charts, and that's how I am already, at a time tell my subscribers, this is what I think it is going to happen, and then if index will act like this will happen. Other than that, if fundies comes in and then this NZD dollar index keep getting strong, then we will be on our previous track, means euro pound NZD, euro NZD, right, will give us short entries. Until I get the entry, I don't go short. So that is like a confirmation. So once this thing start dropping, we're gonna have to see entries, long entries in GN and EN, and short entries in the USD and the yen. Only then I will open the trades, and I will definitely open the trades, and I'll show it to you when the week starts, Monday or Tuesday. Just like CAD, I said definitely I'm gonna show you my trades, and I got two. The third one was a very good entry, but unfortunately I took off the alarm and forgot to put it back on. So I didn't know when the entry came in. Okay. EuroCAD I'm talking about, and there was let me see if I can quickly show you that how beautiful was that entry for more than 100. Look at that. This is the one I'm talking about, right? From here, it would be, my entry would be here 140.40, and it went to 139.10. So it's like 130 per trade. I didn't know because the alarm was off. So tonight I'm going to put it back on again. And the alarm does a very good job, right? When the setup is like from here, it's gonna beep, here it's gonna beep, here it's gonna beep, right? So, but if you don't have it, or if you have sound off, then you're not gonna hear. That's what happened, right? So this is it for now. And if you like to, join, go to my website. So this is the address. New address is, like I said, go to creativetradingsystems.com. creativetradingsystems.com. You will see the same website, right? And here's the button. Most of the things are working. A few glitches here and there I'm going to fix. And my old name is myforexmagic.com is still there, on the charts and here, there. So I'm going to slowly replace all of that. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week, which is a few more hours, right?